There is a hurricane going on. Get into the basement.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, we don't have any food. We need to go out and buy some before the hurricane fucks up the house.
You're right, let's go.
Hey, you two little shits better not do anything really fucking stupid like usual.
Hey Rosie, since it's windy outside you can go fly a kite and you will look really cool.
Yay, Rosie wants to fly kite. Yay, wind.
What a dumb bitch. Oh shit, it's getting really windy.
Oh Caillou, how dare you let Rosie get killed? You are so fucking grounded for 9995689428684257692557324965564978562,345 years.